ready to make this event a spectacular one. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all. Welcome you, dear friends.
From the chief guest to begin the parade.
Mathakondapalli Model School, right down! Mathakondapalli Model School, on the board, walk down march!
The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. Today, we celebrate the Republic Day of India at MMS. It has 444 articles segmented. Each house is represented by a captain and a vice captain holding their house flags and placards respectively. Now, they are marching towards the dais. A honorable chief guest is receiving the salute. Here at your side is the marching of Blue House, which symbolizes peace, depth, trust, loyalty, sincerity, wisdom, confidence, stability, faith, and intelligence. Tranquility, stability, and loyalty, led by Vimala of grade 11, who is perfect performer in all her activities, academics and non-academics, with the house flag, and Vice Captain Ananya of grade 11, who excels in academics. Now, the Blue House is saluting the chief guest. Gracious March of Greenhouse symbolizes nature, renewal, generosity, and fertility, led by Monash of grade 11, an exceptional football player, is an inspirable badminton player with the house flag, and Sailam of grade 10 is an athlete with the club card. Gracious March of Greenhouse symbolizes nature, renewal, generosity, and fertility.
Greenhouse, eyes,
Now,
red!
the Greenhouse is saluting the chief guest. Player and an excellent athlete with a house flag, and Arshma of grade 10, an enthusiastic football player and an athlete with a house club card. Red represents passion, sincerity, heart, and strength. Now, the Red House is saluting the chief guest. Now watch marching. The adorable yellow house marching magnificently symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism, positivity, and idealism. Led by Master Kiran Babu of grade 10, an avid football player and an athlete, with the house flag and the Nikhil of grade 10, a remarkable commentator with a placard. Yellow represents, symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism, and positivity. Now, the yellow house saluting the chief guest.
Followed by the yellow house, faculties of MMS marching towards the chief guest. Led by Mr. Kavi Arsan, an explicit alumni of MMS, senior scientist with a flag, who is an inspiration to the students. The vice captain, Mr. Chinnappan, who is multi-talented and all-rounder. The team is marching towards and saluting the chief guest. March past develops a sense of unity, a spirit of love for the nation and for everyone.
Parade is one of the majestic ways of honoring the national flag. March past develops a sense of unity, a spirit of love for the nation and for everyone. Blue, green, red, and yellow, and for the dispersal of the parade.
Honorable Model School, housewives, dismiss!